Just recently, the West Garo Hills Police and the West Garo Hills administration has been cracking down on different kind of illegal activities, especially in terms of extortions and different kind of activities, which were leading to the prices of essential commodities going up. And based on these different inputs received, a number of actions were taken by the district police and the SP, and concrete steps have now been taken to ensure that this does not happen in the future. And this will have a huge impact in ensuring that the price of essential commodities comes down to a large extent. And this will impact the poorest of the poor people and the general citizens of Tura and also of West Garo Hills. And I want to assure the different merchants and the different shopkeepers and the different people who do business in Tura and in West Garo Hills that the entire administration, the police and the government as a whole will be there to support and to ensure that full protection is given in the future, so that these kind of illegal activities and extortions do not take place, which will unnecessarily support and to ensure that full protection is given in the future, so that these kind of illegal activities and extortions do not take place, which will unnecessarily lead to the prices going up, which will ultimately affect the common citizen of the state.